Hey there, little explorers! Are you ready to dive into the amazing world of natural phenomena? Today, we're going to learn about some incredible things that happen in nature, like hail, snow, wind, rain, and ice. Have you ever wondered why it rains or how snowflakes are made? Or maybe you've seen lightning and heard thunder and wanted to know more. Well, you're in the right place. Get ready for a fun and exciting adventure where we'll discover the secrets behind these fascinating natural wonders. So, grab your curiosity, and let's get started. What is it? Hail? Hail is a type of precipitation that falls as balls or lumps of ice. Why does it happen? Hail forms inside strong thunderstorm clouds. When there are strong updrafts, winds blowing upward, they carry water droplets high into the cold parts of the cloud where they freeze. These ice balls can get blown around, collecting more layers of ice, until they become too heavy and fall to the ground. Interesting fact, the largest hailstone ever recorded in the US weighed almost 2 pounds and was about the size of a volleyball. Is it dangerous? Yes, hail can be dangerous. Large hailstones can damage cars, roofs, and even hurt people and animals. It's important to seek shelter indoors during a hailstorm to stay safe. What is it? Snow? Snow is frozen water that falls from the sky as tiny ice crystals that stick together to form snowflakes. Why does it happen? Snow forms when the air is very cold and the water vapor in the clouds turns directly into ice crystals. These crystals stick together to make snowflakes. When they get heavy enough, they fall to the ground as snow. Interesting fact, no two snowflakes are exactly alike, each one has a unique shape. Is it dangerous? Snow itself is not usually dangerous, but it can create hazardous conditions. Heavy snowfall can make it difficult to drive and can cause roofs to collapse if too much snow accumulates. It's important to dress warmly and be cautious when playing or traveling in the snow. What is it? Wind. Wind is the movement of air from one place to another. Why does it happen? Wind occurs because the sun heats the earth unevenly. Warm air rises, and cooler air moves in to take its place. This movement of air is what we feel as wind. Interesting fact, the fastest wind speed ever recorded was over 253 miles per hour, 407 kilometers per hour, during a tornado in Oklahoma, USA. Is it dangerous? Wind can be both safe and dangerous. A gentle breeze is nice and refreshing, but strong winds, like those in hurricanes and tornadoes, can cause a lot of damage. It's important to take shelter when strong winds are forecasted. What is it? Rain. Rain is liquid water that falls from the sky in droplets. Why does it happen? Rain forms when the sun heats up water on the Earth's surface, turning it into water vapor. This vapor rises, cools, and condenses into tiny droplets that form clouds. When these droplets get too heavy, they fall to the ground as rain. Interesting fact, the wettest place on Earth is Mawsynram in India, which receives an average of about 467 inches, 11,871 millimeters, of rain each year. Is it dangerous? Rain itself is not usually dangerous, but heavy rain can lead to flooding, which can be very dangerous. Floods can wash away cars and buildings and can be life-threatening. It's important to avoid flooded areas and listen to weather warnings. What is it? Ice. Ice is frozen water, solid and slippery. Why does it happen? Ice forms when the temperature drops below the freezing point, 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. Water turns from a liquid into a solid state, becoming ice. Interesting fact, Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth, with temperatures that can drop below -100 degrees Fahrenheit, -73 degrees Celsius, causing huge amounts of ice to form. Is it dangerous? Ice can be dangerous because it makes surfaces very slippery. Walking or driving on ice can lead to falls or accidents. It's important to be very careful on icy surfaces and to wear proper shoes with good grip. What is it? Thunder and lightning are two parts of the same natural phenomenon. Lightning is a giant spark of electricity in the sky, and thunder is the sound that lightning makes. Why does it happen? Lightning happens when there is a buildup of electrical charge in a storm cloud. When the charge becomes too strong, it creates a spark, which we see as lightning. Thunder happens because the lightning heats up the air around it very quickly, causing it to expand and create a loud boom. Interesting fact, lightning can be hotter than the surface of the sun, reaching temperatures of around 30,000 degrees Celsius, 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Is it dangerous? Yes, lightning can be very dangerous. It can cause fires, damage buildings, and harm people or animals if they are struck. It's important to stay indoors during a thunderstorm to stay safe. What is it? Rainbows? A rainbow is a colorful arc of light in the sky that appears after rain. Why does it happen? Rainbows happen when sunlight shines through raindrops. The light is bent, refracted, split into its different colors, like a prism, and then reflected inside the raindrop. This causes the beautiful colors to appear. Interesting fact, no two people see the exact same rainbow. Each person sees their own unique rainbow because the raindrops and angles are different for everyone. Is it dangerous? No, rainbows are not dangerous at all. They are a beautiful natural phenomenon that we can enjoy safely. What is it? Earthquakes? An earthquake is a sudden shaking of the ground caused by the movement of the Earth's crust. Why does it happen? The Earth's crust is made up of pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are always moving, but sometimes they get stuck. When they finally break free, the energy is released as an earthquake. Interesting fact, there are about 500,000 detectable earthquakes in the world each year, but only about 100 cause damage. Is it dangerous? Yes, earthquakes can be very dangerous. They can cause buildings to collapse, create tsunamis, and result in loss of life. It's important to know how to stay safe during an earthquake, like finding a sturdy place to take cover. What is it? Volcanoes? A volcano is an opening in the Earth's surface where molten rock, ash, and gases can escape. Why does it happen? Inside the Earth, it is very hot, and sometimes this heat melts rocks into magma. When there is too much pressure, the magma can push through the surface, causing a volcanic eruption. Interesting fact, the tallest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. It's called Olympus Mons and is about 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers, high. Is it dangerous? Yes, volcanic eruptions can be very dangerous. They can destroy everything in their path with lava, ash, and gases. It's important to evacuate areas around an erupting volcano to stay safe. What is it? Tornadoes? A tornado is a rotating column of air that stretches from a thunderstorm to the ground. Why does it happen? Tornadoes form when warm, moist air meets cold, dry air. This causes the air to spin and, if the conditions are right, can form a funnel cloud that touches the ground. Interesting fact, the United States has the most tornadoes of any country in the world, with about 1,200 tornadoes each year. Is it dangerous? Yes, tornadoes are very dangerous. They can cause a lot of damage with their strong winds, which can reach over 300 miles per hour, 480 kilometers per hour. It's important to take cover in a safe place, like a basement or storm shelter, during a tornado warning. What is it? Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis? The northern lights are colorful displays of light in the sky, usually seen in the polar regions. Why does it happen? The northern lights happen when particles from the sun hit the Earth's atmosphere and collide with gases like oxygen and nitrogen. These collisions create beautiful lights in the sky. Interesting fact, the southern hemisphere has its own version called the Southern Lights, or Aurora Australis. Is it dangerous? No, the northern lights are not dangerous. They are a beautiful natural light show that people can enjoy without any risk. Wow, what an amazing journey we've had today, little explorers! We've learned so much about hail, snow, wind, rain, and ice. Now you know why these natural phenomena happen and how they affect our world. Remember, while some of these wonders can be fun and beautiful, others can be a bit dangerous, so it's important to stay safe. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep discovering the wonders of nature. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and we can't wait to see you again soon. Bye for now, friends.
Please, like, subscribe for my channel.